Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on special, we have the Elite Ceramic Premium Concrete Cup Wheel. What's good about this wheel is a lot of times edge work is tedious, it's long. With this tool, you're gonna basically eliminate a lot of time and have a phenomenal finish. Works wet or dry, message me now. Here with US Abrasives, currently on special, we have the Falcon Copper Hybrid Pad. This is a flexible transitional pad. If you want to take out some heavy metal scratches, this is the tool for you. It leaves a very subtle scratch pattern, very uniform, does heavy stock removal. They don't wear out fast or they're not sacrificial. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have the Rhombus single 16 grit extra soft bond. Comes in either the threaded or the non-threaded holes. This tool is a premium tool because it holds about 40% higher diamond content than the normal standard traditional traps. So they'll grind faster, they'll last longer. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our premium half bar shredders. This is basically a titanium metal alloy, and it's meant to be used to remove soft build coatings. If you're using removing epoxy, if you're doing removal of underlayments, adhesives, this is a tool for you. Message me now. Ho, ho, ho! Santa here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have the Rhombus double 40 grits and medium bond. These are one of our top sellers. They're considered a premium. Message us now and we'll get you this amazing tool. We accept rain checks. Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho! Santa here again with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, to end the year, we have the premium half bar cap cutters. Now, you know this is one of our top sellers. People all over the social media loves to talk about it. It's meant for super, super hard concrete floors. It will open up fast. Great life. Message us now and Merry Christmas.